Hey. My name is Jessica Mitchell, and I am so glad that you were here. Thank you for opting in and putting in your email address so that you can learn more about the Legacy Builders program. You just made a really smart move, and I can't wait for you to see what's next. Before I found this program, I was just a regular wife and mom, a caregiver, a business owner, somebody who was juggling way too much. I was working long hours, not sleeping well, just running in circles financially, never getting ahead, and wondering if it was just too late to even catch up or start something new. I knew I needed a simple, flexible way to start making money that was not going to take time away from my family. And I wanted something that was a real business, not just another side hustle that was going to keep me exhausted. I came across the Legacy Builders program in March of 2025. And even though I didn't have any tech skills, no following, no type of experience in a business like this, I just followed the blueprint step by step. And because of that, I started seeing results, consistent income. And of course, my confidence grew because I started a whole online business in my 50s. But even better, finally, some peace of mind and doing all this just working a couple of hours a day. And guess what? I can do this whole business right here from home on my laptop or from my phone, which means it fits in with my busy schedule. I've tried so many other things before. I started my own coaching business when all of the side hustles, the MLMs, the network marketing, none of that was working. All of those different things promised freedom, but it just led to burnout, frustration, and disappointment. This is different because it is a real business and it has a system that is already done for you. It teaches you high income skills and it comes with all of the tools that you need to get started and actually get success. So up next, you will meet one of my amazing mentors, Michelle O'Neill. She's going to walk you through exactly how the system works and exactly how you can start creating freedom for you. And just know that when you decide to get started, you will have free mentorship and support directly from me and a community of over 50,000 people. So you are never doing this alone.
Congratulations on getting the blueprint. The blueprint is going to walk you through step by step how to have a done-for-you business where you make 100% profit. You're going to learn about the automations. You can have your business up and going today. This blueprint has helped tens of thousands of people be able to launch and grow their online business, even people that were beginner friendly. So if you do not see the blueprint inside your email, please check your spam or promotions folder. It could have gone there. Now let me introduce myself. My name is Michelle O'Neill, and I was introduced to the digital marketing space in September of 2022. Prior to that, I tried for years to make money online, and all I was doing was sacrificing time away from my family. I was trading time for dollars. I could never get a consistent, predictable income stream coming in. And I got to the point that I thought, maybe I'm just too old, or maybe it's because I'm an introvert. And I didn't think I could have success online. And I almost gave up hope. Until one day, I was on Facebook and I saw a gal make a post about digital marketing and a post about making 100% profit. And I was like, what is this? Could that be possible? But all I knew is I didn't want to stay where I was. So I checked out the blueprint and I immediately took action in the digital marketing space. And I will share with you, it was the game changer for me. I was ready. I was ready to learn something new. I was ready to learn how to automate my business. So I jumped into the digital marketing space in September of 2022. I ended up making 6 figures in 6 months, all with a brand new social media account and all with just following the steps. Now, fast forward to today, you guys, I made over $5 million in the digital marketing space without spending any money on ads. I've organically built a following. I've organically built an email list. And that is why you are here today, because this blueprint, I walk you through exactly how I've done it. Now, here's what's great, because not only have I made multi-millions of dollars, I have over 103 people that have made 6 figures by following the Legacy Builders program. And I have 17 self-made millionaires just in South Africa alone. So does the process work? Yes. So why does it work so well?
I tried selling weight loss products, Pampered Chef products, makeup, fingernails, you name it. I've tried to sell it. And I worked a 9 to 5, my entire life. Punched a time clock. I've been a secretary for somebody else my entire life. And I started looking at digital marketing after the pandemic. And in my head, I'm like, I can't do that. I don't have any followers. I don't know what a website is. I don't know what a domain is. My furniture doesn't match. I got my bedspread at Walmart. Like, I'm just not fancy. I had a desire inside of me to do something different. I knew I had a higher calling on my life and that the Lord had a different purpose for me. So a friend introduced me to Michelle. And I always tell her this, but she's like fancy and put together. And I'm like, my Walmart t-shirt. But I resonated with her because she had something I wanted. And she was like a mom that was paying her bills with money online and she wasn't struggling. And I wanted that my whole life. So I had to put this class on my credit card. I didn't have the money laying around. The lady that I purchased from didn't have a payment plan, but I saw Michelle and I'm like, I want that. I want to be able to pay my bills. I want to be able to pay my mortgage. I have struggled with credit card debt my entire life. I made $10,000 in my first 2 months. And I just watched Michelle's video every day. Like, I knew there was something here. I saw it. And fast forward, I now am like branding myself and getting my own things going. And like Michelle O'Neill changed my life. She showed me this vision that I never knew existed for someone like me. My husband and I, neither one work a 9 to 5, praise the Lord. And we have a ministry online. And like, I still see these people that are selling weight loss products and they message me and like, well, I made $37 this month. And I'm like, dude, I'm making $25,000 a month. Why are you still selling somebody else's product for $5? But that's a mindset that like, that's all I ever knew. And that I knew there was something different. Like Michelle asked me a few months ago, what is your idea of a perfect day? I'm never going to forget this because it was the very next day it snowed. We got up late, we slept in, we made pancakes, and we watched a movie. Me and my husband, my daughter, and my dog on my couch. We didn't have to leave the house. We didn't have to go out in the cold. That was my idea of a perfect day. And just last week, we went bowling, and we paid for the shoes, and we paid for the games, and we paid for the food. That's my idea of a perfect day. Being able to take my family and do fun stuff and not worry about it. And my sister and I both made $900 that night in the bowling alley, not on our phones. But like, if you are remotely skeptic, plug into my hope. Because I am the person that said, there's just no way. I don't look that way. I'm not fancy. Like, this is my tiny little house. I live in a tiny house. I just have this little space for my little desk. And I'm averaging 20 to 25K a month. It's all the Lord. And I just want to say, you can. Like, if I say it on my lives every day, if you have a desire to change your life, it's right here. It's right here.
So here's why it works so well.
My name is Latoya Baptiste. I am from Lafayette, Louisiana, and I am just so thankful and grateful to have access to this amazing blueprint, such an amazing opportunity. You're looking at someone who's very familiar with business. I've been in business for over 12 years. I'm very familiar with passive income. I too have earned passive income. I made 6 figures. I'm basically just recently recovering from a debilitating condition that had me down for the past 2 years. And guess what, y'all? My income dropped 350%. I wish I would have access to the blueprint sooner, but nonetheless, I'm happy I have access to it now. But what is so exciting about this blueprint, guys, is just the details within it. I have spent countless of dollars on products and programs and to assist me with digital marketing, but it was always missing something. You had to pay monthly, you had to pay more, and it never gave you everything. I was able to see the passive income here, and what it does is basically it's automated. So it allows you to truly experience passive income on another level. I enjoy about it, it's no chargebacks, no MLM. When you get paid, you get paid. Another thing I'm so super excited about is the 100% profit. If you have any type of knowledge of brokerage system or affiliate marketing, you don't get 100% of the profit. There's no middleman. You're not getting crumbs of what's actually being paid. I'm looking forward to doing amazing things, helping a lot of people. That is in my heart. That's in my nature. That's what I love to do, is help people. So what an amazing opportunity to be able to share this with others. Thank you guys so much for creating this.
Because the moment that you start following the blueprint, you also get to be part of our community. We have a community of over 50,000+ people where inside of the community, we do live interactive calls. I hang out with you every Tuesday, and it's a live interactive call where I walk you through the process of understanding attraction marketing, understanding digital marketing, understanding automations, and how to use social media the right way. One thing that is so important to me is time, because you can never get time back. So we focus on a 2-hour income earning activity day. I show you how you can get your income earning activities done in just 2 hours a day. And one other thing that you learn how to add multiple income streams. Every single one of my 6-figure income earners that are inside the community that you get to learn and grow from, all of them have multiple income streams. Because not only do we teach you how to make a 100% profit, you also learn how to make a reoccurring income stream. I mean, we have reoccurring bills. Why not that reoccurring income stream? You learn how to become an affiliate to products that could benefit your customers. It is such an amazing strategy. You're also going to learn how to be monetized on social media. So when you go to post on social media, you're not posting to post. You're posting it to also build another income stream for your family. And the best part, we teach you how to do this starting from scratch. And here's how we simplify it. Our average earner makes profit in their first 7 days because we help you become certified. We help you have a clear understanding of digital marketing. We teach you that. We teach you automations. Automations, I call it your freedom machine because it's going to freely be working for you 24/7. Here's what I love about this process. You know how many moms have been able to follow this and they never have to take a calculator to the grocery store again? You know how many dads have been able to walk away from that second job and just getting 25 more hours back with their family because now they have a digital online business that they can do 100% around their family. It's truly a lifestyle business. We have step-by-step process to help you do that.
I am so proud to be a part of this community, to be sharing this new product line with the world. And that is because I know who's behind it. I know. And and Michelle is behind it. And there's the community that's behind it. These are people who care about you, about your success, and at the same time hold your feet to the fire to be the CEO of your life, because ultimately this is your business. Whether you have tons of experience or very little experience, if you want to be successful in the online space and learn how to make daily pay, you can do it. You can do it.
So if you are ready to dive into the digital marketing space, and you want support by a community of other entrepreneurs just like you, I invite you to join us. This Legacy Builders program did $29 million in just 10 months in sales. That means the $29 million went into the community members' pocket.
It's amazing what you're going to experience here. I'm a 53-year-old non-techie guy who has figured out how to earn a 6-figure income using emails, automations, and all of the things you're going to learn inside this blueprint. So pay attention, do what I did, throw it all out the window that you've learned in the past, and follow the direction of our leader, Miss Michelle O'Neill.
I know what it takes to build a $5 million business in just 2 years without spending any money on ads. And that is exactly what I teach you inside my communities.
I am so glad you guys are here. This blueprint is going to change your life. This is coming from a girl who's been self-employed her whole life, no tech skills whatsoever. But I'm telling you, it's step by step. Just follow the program, trust it, because it will not lead you wrong. I'm so happy you guys are here. Enjoy the ride.
If you're ready to make this the year where you can take control of your life and literally build a successful income 100% from home, the goal is a sustainable, predictable income stream. And when you learn the power of automations, you'll see how that's possible for you as well, my friend. I look forward to working with you, and I'll see you inside the community.